Okay, students, now see here. Here in notebook you have to write this poem with good handwriting. Mr. Nobody, write the heading, today's date, okay, and then write the poem. Okay. Now let's know new words. See here. First word quiet. Quiet. First word quiet. Then second word mischief. Mischif. Mischief. Okay. Third word everybody. 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 Then fourth word agree. 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 Then fifth word nobody. 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 Okay. Now let's see the meaning of these words. See here. First word quiet. Quiet. Quiet means without making any noise. Right? Do not make noise. That is quiet. बिना आवाज़ किए जो आवाज़ नहीं करता. Right? That is quiet. Second, mischief. Bad behavior of kids that is not very serious or that is not cause any serious harmness. See, mischief, right? Third, everybody. Every person or everyone. That is known as everybody. Then nobody. Not anyone. Here why is there? Not anyone or no one. कोई भी नहीं. Here everybody means सब, सारे. And nobody means no one. कोई भी नहीं. Agree. Having a same opinion. Right? Same opinion होना. किसी के साथ agree हो जाना. Right? कि I have also the same opinion. What you are telling. That is having a same opinion. That is agree. Okay. Now let's frame sentences from this word. First, quiet. My dog is very quiet today. Right? मेरा कुत्ता आज बहुत शांत है. Quiet. Second word, mischief. Rahul's mischief in the class was caught by the class teacher. राहुल ने आज क्लास में जो मिस्चिफ की वो किसने पकड़ ली? क्लास टीचर ने. Everybody enjoyed my birthday party. सबने मेरी बर्थडे पार्टी एंजॉय की. Everybody, right? Nobody should tease animals. Right? किसी को भी एनिमल को टीज नहीं करना चाहिए. Correct? Nobody. Agree. I agree that he is very punctual in class. I agree that he is very punctual in his class. वो अपनी क्लास में बहुत पंक्चुअल है. नियमित रूप से सारे अपने काम करता है. That is punctual, right? So I agree that boy is very punctual in class. So these are some examples. You can frame your own sentences also. So try to use these words in your own sentences. Okay? Write down new words, words with meaning and sentences in your English notebook. Okay, now let's do some question answers. Answer the following questions. Question 1. Who is Mr. Nobody? Mr. Nobody कौन था? Mr. Nobody is a funny little man. Right? As we have seen in the poem, then Mr. Nobody is a funny little man. Question 2. Has anyone ever seen him? किसी ने कभी देखा है? No. Nobody has ever seen him. Sorry, here question marks will not come. Here full stop will come. नो, nobody has ever seen him. कभी उसको किसी ने देखा नहीं है. Is there a Mr. Nobody in your house? आपके घर में कोई मिस्टर नोबडी है जो ये सारी मिस्चिफ करता है? So yes, there is a Mr. Nobody in my house. He always breaks things when I outside my room. राइट ऐसा मेरे घर में भी मिस्टर नोबडी है जो मेरी सारी चीज़ें तोड़ देता है जब मैं बाहर होती हूँ. राइट. सो these 3 question answers you have to write in your English notebook. Students, let's do some exercises of this poem Mr. Nobody. Open your English textbook, page number 91. Let's share. Okay? See, sometimes you want to look and find things for yourself. Tick those that you did. Tell your friends. Right? Sometimes we want to see something. Sometimes we want to do something. Sometimes we find some things. Right? So here also some things are given and you have to tick which things you have already done. And after ticking that, you tell it to your friend. See here in first picture. This girl is looking towards the clock. I tried to see why the clock ticked. Right? What the girl had tried? The girl tried to see why clock ticked. Clock tick कैसे करती है वो ये गर्ल देख रही है. So, have you ever done this? Yes. So, tick it. Then, I went out of the house at night to see the stars. Right? This boy is telling that I went out of the house at night to see the stars. Stars को देखने के लिए वो घर से बाहर निकला. Right? आप टेरेस पे भी गए होते हैं, कभी कभी गैलरी में से भी देखते हैं, बाहर भी निकलते हैं. So, have you ever done this? Yes, then tick this. Okay. I climbed a tree to look into a nest. Right? Have you ever done this? कि झाड़ पर चढ़ के देखा नेस्ट में क्या है? Okay. If you have done, tick it. If you have not done it, then cross it. I have not done, so I have crossed. Okay. I climbed on a stool to find biscuits. Right? I climbed on a stool to find biscuit. Biscuit find करने के लिए I climbed on stools. Okay. So, if you have done it, tick it. If you have not done, then cross it. Okay. So, this is the first exercise. Now, turn the page, page number 92. See here, say aloud. Say aloud and circle the rhyming words. Here some sentences are given. We have to read it loudly and then we have to circle the rhyming words. So I am reading these sentences. You also repeat after me. First, a mouse ran into the house. Again, a mouse ran into the house. Which two words are rhyming words here? Mouse and house. Correct. Okay, second. I can see the little bee. Okay. Which two words are rhyming words? Repeat. I can see the little bee. C and B. These two words are rhyming words. Third. That was a fat cat. That was a fat cat. So here fat cat. These two words are rhyming word. Fourth, give me a handkerchief. Don't do any mischief. Give me a handkerchief. Don't do any mischief. So here which two words are rhyming word? Handkerchief and mischief. So these two words are rhyming words. So we have done this exercise. Now then next, let's draw. Here you have to draw something. What? Now see, this activity you have to do in group, but right now we don't have any group, so you only draw. First child draws Mr. Nobody's head. First you have to draw the head of Mr. Nobody. Then second, draw his clothes. Then third, draws the arms. Then fourth, draws his legs. Then fifth, draws Mr. Nobody's hair. Look at Mr. Nobody. Isn't he a funny man? Right? No, he looks like a funny man, no? So color him. Then you have to color. This thing you can do in your English notebook also or in your color book also. Draw this funny man and color it. Okay? Next exercise. See. Let's write. Fill in the blanks with A, E, I, O, U. Now what are these alphabets are? These alphabets are vowels, right? There are 5 vowels in our alphabet. A, E, I, O, U. So here we have to fill in these blanks keeping these alphabets. So which word is this? H, E, blank, D. Which word? Head. Correct. So which letter we will write here? A. Head. Okay. Then second. Blank RMS. Which word? Arms. Correct. So write here also A. Then L blank GS. Which word? Legs. Okay. DR blank double S. Dress. DRESS. And then H blank blank R. Which word is this? Hair. Correct. H. So A I R. Hair. So head, arms, legs, dress and hair. Then 2. Add no, some and every to the word body to make new words. Right? We have to add these 2 words to body for new words. Now first, what we will add here? Nobody. So N-O, nobody. Then somebody. And then everybody. EVERY. Here you can write first letter capital also or first letter small also. Okay? Then see. Seema wrote her father's name like this. How Seema wrote her father's name? Mr. Dinesh Dikshit. Right? First Seema has written Mr. or Miss, then name and then surname. Ram wrote his mother's name like this. How Ram wrote? Mrs. Sneha Ramdas. So here write your father's name as Seema did. First you will write Mr. or Miss. When you add Mr. with male, okay? Mr. Rahul Bhatt, okay? Then write your mother's name as Ram did. Mother's name Mrs. Okay, Mrs. Saroj Bhatt. Okay, first name and then surname. Okay, now here you write more names. Okay, adding Mr. and Mrs. For example, Mr. Meet Bhatt. And for Mrs. Pooja Bhatt. Okay, so here we have written some names. You also write here your father and mother's name and 2 others' names. So complete this. In your English textbook, also complete page number 95, that is of cursive writing. So practice it also.